Buc-ee's Store Review Part 2. They have a whole wall dedicated to beer and wine. And if beer and wine aren't your thing, they have a wall full of ices, iced coffee, hot coffee, some lattes, some cappuccinos. And if coffee isn't your thing, they have a whole section just full of sodas. Mainly their brand sodas, not name brands, besides Dr. Pepper and 7-Up. Moving right along to their sweet section, this is where they have cookies and cakes and all sorts of delicious goodies. Then we have some fudge and nuts and desserts. And they have a special. Buy 4 slabs of fudge, get 2 for free. Next is their homemade pecan nuts and almonds. Oh my goodness, they were delicious. The smell, I wish you can smell through this video. I really do. They also have some glazed pecans that I forgot to mention. Next up is the Texas round, where you can get your chopped brisket, your pulled pork, your pulled chicken, and your beaver chips. They also have sliced turkey, just in case you don't like brisket or chicken. Next they have their world famous jerky. Anything you can think of, cherry maple, a regular, teriyaki, steakhouse, black pepper jerky, whatever you're thinking of, they have. Check out part 3 of our store review. Coming right on up.